Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for innovative and inspiring home decor ideas. Today, we're diving deep into a trend that's transforming living spaces worldwide: the living room indoor garden inspiration. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. If you've ever yearned for a touch of nature inside your home, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, let's address the fundamental question: what exactly is a living room indoor garden? It's more than just placing a few potted plants around. It's about creating a cohesive, integrated green space within your living area. This can range from a simple collection of low-maintenance plants to elaborate vertical gardens, or even miniature ecosystems. The core idea is to bring the outdoors in, creating a serene and visually appealing environment. It's about strategically incorporating greenery to enhance the aesthetic and atmosphere of your living room, turning it into a natural sanctuary. Think of it as a curated selection of plants that complement your existing decor, rather than cluttering it. It's a deliberate design choice to infuse life and vitality into your daily living space. Now, you might be wondering, what are the benefits of having a living room indoor garden? The advantages extend far beyond mere aesthetics. Firstly, indoor plants significantly improve air quality. They filter out toxins and increase oxygen levels, creating a healthier living environment. Secondly, they reduce stress and promote relaxation. Studies have shown that being around plants can lower blood pressure and improve mood. Thirdly, they enhance your home's decor, adding a touch of natural elegance and vibrancy. A well-designed indoor garden can become a focal point, sparking conversation and admiration. Furthermore, caring for plants can be a therapeutic and rewarding hobby, providing a sense of accomplishment and connection with nature. Finally, indoor gardens can increase humidity, which is particularly beneficial in dry climates or during winter months. This can help alleviate dry skin and respiratory issues. So it's a win-win situation for both your home and your well-being. Next, let's tackle the crucial aspect: how to decorate your living room with an indoor garden to look beautiful. This is where design expertise comes into play. Start by assessing your space. Consider the natural light available, the size of your living room, and your existing decor. Choose plants that complement your style and thrive in your environment. Use a variety of plant heights, textures, and colors to create visual interest. Incorporate stylish planters that match your decor. Think about using vertical space with wall planters or hanging baskets. Create focal points with larger statement plants. Arrange plants in clusters or groups to mimic natural settings. Don't overcrowd the space. Allow for breathing room between plants. Use mirrors to reflect greenery and create the illusion of a larger garden. Consider integrating built-in planters or shelves for a seamless look. Finally, maintain a balance between greenery and other decor elements to ensure a harmonious and cohesive design. Now let's get down to the specifics. What are the best plants for a living room indoor garden? The right plant selection is key to a thriving indoor garden. Here are some top recommendations, keeping in mind they are all relatively easy to care for. First, snake plant, or called sansevieria. Extremely low maintenance, purifies air, and tolerates low light. Second, ZZ plant, or called Zamioculcas zamifolia. Thrives in low light, requires minimal watering, and adds a glossy modern touch. Third, pothose, or called Epipremnum aureum. Versatile, fast-growing, and effective at purifying air. Fourth, peace lily, or called Spathiphyllum. Beautiful white flowers, purifies air, and indicates when it needs water. Fifth, Monstera deliciosa. Iconic large leaves, adds a tropical vibe and thrives in bright, indirect light. Sixth, spider plant or called Chlorophytum comosum. Easy to propagate, purifies air, and adds a playful element. Seventh, fiddle leaf fig or called Ficus lyrata. A statement plant with large, dramatic leaves, requires bright, indirect light. Eighth, air plants are called Tillandsia. Unique, require no soil and add a modern, minimalist touch. Ninth, succulents are called various. Low maintenance, diverse shapes and colors, and thrive in bright light. 10th, parlor palm or called Chamaedorea elegans. Adds a touch of elegance, tolerates low light, and purifies air. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 jaw-dropping indoor garden ideas to inspire your own living room transformation. 1. Vertical wall garden. Utilize wall space with a modular vertical garden system, creating a lush, green backdrop. This maximizes space and adds a dramatic focal point. 2. Hanging planter oasis. Suspend various hanging planters at different heights to create a layered, jungle-like effect. This adds visual interest and utilizes vertical space. 3. Indoor tree feature. Incorporate a larger indoor tree, such as a fiddle leaf fig or a money tree, to create a central focal point. This adds height and drama to the space. 4. Terrarium table. Integrate a terrarium into a coffee table or side table, creating a miniature ecosystem within your furniture. This is a unique and captivating design element. 5. Windowsill herb garden. Utilize a sunny windowsill to grow herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary. This adds fresh greenery and provides culinary benefits. 6. Plant shelving unit. Install a shelving unit specifically for plants, creating a dedicated green display. This allows you to showcase a variety of plants and decorative planters. 7. Built-in planters. Integrate planters into the architecture of your living room, such as built-in window boxes or planter walls. This creates a seamless and cohesive look. 8. Plant groupings. Arrange plants in clusters or groups, mimicking natural settings. This creates a more organic and visually appealing arrangement. 9. Water feature integration. Combine your indoor garden with a small water feature, such as a tabletop fountain or a small pond. This adds a soothing sound and enhances the natural ambience. 10. Light focus display. Use grow lights to highlight your plants, especially in areas with limited natural light. This adds a dramatic effect and ensures your plants thrive. Creating a living room indoor garden is an investment in your home and your well-being. By carefully selecting plants and incorporating thoughtful design elements, you can transform your living space into a tranquil and beautiful oasis. Remember, start small and gradually expand your garden as you gain confidence and experience. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more inspiring home decor ideas. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your favorite indoor garden ideas. Thank you for watching.